Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this Honor. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then install your new defaults. I will go with Opera Mini browser. When your app is ready, go into Settings. In Settings, you need to choose Apps section after scrolling down and click on Default Apps. Then tap on one of those options, in my case Browser app, and click on an app that you wish to apply. I will go with Opera Mini, so when I click on it and tap on the back button, I can set default app on my Honor hash changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!